Standard with Google built in, Quick Start loads center display apps fast, so you can interact with your apps quickly after turning your vehicle on. When you turn on your vehicle, the apps you were using before you shut off your vehicle will be right where you left them. Just like a smartphone, you can also reboot your center display. Put your vehicle in park, then hold the End Call button on the steering wheel for about 25 to 30 seconds until the center display goes black. You may see an option to start in safe mode, but you can ignore it. Continue to hold the End Call button until the screen goes black. Release the End Call button and your center display will boot up as normal. Visit gmc.com/support for more information.